Hey guys, so today I'm going to be talking about chapter 16 and discussing how a persuasive speech is different from an informative speech and kind of giving an understanding to that, and then discussing Monroe's motivated sequence and how that can help me give an effective persuasive speech. So to just start, persuasion itself is the act of convincing others to give attention to our own point of view, and a persuasive speech is intended to influence the beliefs, attitude, or values upon others. So informative speeches, though, we've already given ours, is when you make information known to the audience that they didn't already know about, or further go into detail if they did have some hints of it. And the difference is kind of that persuasive is how you influence that person and they're leaving, taking that knowledge to put forth to something else. And informative is they're still taking that knowledge in, but they just have the knowledge now and they're not really taking action or step by step to increase anything there. So I wanted to just hint that there are three prepositions to persuasive speeches, which is fact, value, and policy, and each all have the same ending, but they all mean something different, which I'm not going to get into because I'm about to get into Monroe's motivated sequence. I have the steps pulled up right here that I was going to talk to y'all about. So step one for the sequence is the attention step, which is when you just start by getting the audience's attention and talking to them, getting them comfortable, familiar. Step two is the need step, which is when you alert the audience members of the issue at hand and describe the problem to them. Step three is satisfaction step, which is when you list the solutions or list any problems that you may face with it. Step four is visualization step, which is when you visualize the solutions being implemented in society or being put forth in some way, and it's normally the most detailed step. And step five is action appeal, which is when you talk to the audience about these actions that they're putting forth and you offer any concluding comments. And I will say that these five steps are going to help me write an effective persuasive speech because I know that my audience is alert and understands what I'm talking about, and the speaker, me, gets more further into detail and they know what I'm trying to get across, and I can feel more comfortable in my own shoes talking about it and knowing what my audience is trying to get out of it. So